Hello, hello, hello. This is Ernest, your trading coach at the Profit Room. Hope all is well. Hope all is well. I want to do this live just to talk to you people about what's going on in 2023 with the Profit Room in general, or just, see how a lot of you guys and ladies are doing. Once again, welcome to 2023. Our theme for the Profit Room this year is called Worry Free. Right? Go to Worry Free 2023. We're going to have an amazing masterclass this Wednesday. Talking about a unique market that we love to trade is the futures market. So let's give a recap about what has been going on in the overall market. Last year alone, the market, I think the NASDAQ has been down over 30%, right? The Dow Jones about 10% and the S&P 500 about 15%. So what can we expect this year? It's a lot of indecision in the market. People are talking about recession. Stocks are on sale to buy, right? There may be a recovery rally, but we heard the same news from most people last year. I remember during the middle of the summer, right? There were memes going around with certain influencer faces talking about buy Amazon, buy Disney, buy Tesla. It's on sale. It's a perfect opportunity. And what has happened? The market continued to go even lower, right? But people don't say certain things anymore, right? They get a little bit quiet. Look at today. We had a great rally that popped up today in the market, right? A nice little daily breakout. If you guys know technicals, you look at the chart. But what happened? Towards the end of the day, the market came back even lower, right? Very, very important. So it's like, how can I make money in this type of market, right? Are you going to bring the same attitude that you've had in the market in 2022 to 2023, right? We really don't want to be put in a position where we're worrying about where the market is going to go. And that's where we come in here at the Profit Room, right? Our theme is Worry Free 2023. And this year we're going to start talking about futures trading. Of course, we're going to talk about stocks and options and other ways that you can generate consistent income from the market, right? Very, very important. So one main thing I like to look at and I start off the year with is, what are you grateful for? What are you appreciative for, just in general? We're coming off of a pandemic where it was easy money to make in the market, right? Remember all-time highs of Teslas and the Best Buys and all the groups, right? The leap options. It's like you're making so much money, right? Now the volume's dried up, right? There's not a lot of retail traders behind it. There's people suffering and hurting from some crypto losses, right? There's so many things now of where should I pivot? Where should I go? What should I do? Right? And I get a lot of students like that as well. They worry about how they're going to generate extra income. Is this dried up? All I see is red in the market. All I hear is fear, right? It doesn't have to be like that. If you've been following the Profit Room for over 8 years, we've been consistently profitable in every type of market. We haven't jumped on every fad, right? Even though it might have been profitable, we did what we know what was best for us and our students. That's why we are still here, and our students are still here making amazing profits. Our average student now makes between $500 to $1,000 a day consistently, right? So that's why I ask you, what do you want out of trading? Many people get caught up with the crazy returns and the big flash, but sometimes that doesn't last, right? Like one of my students, I remember, was asking about freedom. Like, they just want freedom because we call students freedom traders. So I say, okay, you have a great income, you have a great job. So what does freedom mean to you? If I can make an extra $2,000 or $3,000 a week, I will be extremely happy with that. Okay, so when you make that extra $2,000 or $3,000 a week, then stop trading for now, right? And it seems so simple, but some people need to be told that. It doesn't mean you can't make more, right? Because you have the skill, but what is your happy number, right? Social media make you feel that you need to make all this crazy amount of money. You can if you want, but you don't have to, right? You want to have the ability to. Like Latoya and I and our students have the ability to pull as much money as you want out of the market. Why? Because we have that skill. But sit back. What's that number that's not going to have you worry all the time, right? Many people, we have this big how society about chasing the bag, chasing the bag. You got to get the bag. I don't want to chase the bag. I want to pick up the money, right? I just want to reach down and pick up the money. Thank you, market. Boom. Thank you, market. Right? Because as long as I can see, right, as long as I have my hands for my mouse or keyboard, hotkeys if you use it, and you have that skill set, the market is always going to pay you. So don't worry about it, right? I've met people and students that have made 20, 30, $40,000 in a month, right? Life-changing money, which is pretty decent as a trader. Then the next month they gave it all back. So the question I would ask and say, what were you doing? Why were you trading? Right? And most of the time is to keep up with other people. Like that was profits that were changing their life or their family lives. We're talking about paying off mortgages, student loans, or going on dream vacations or cars, whatever you want. But you gave the money right back because you were trying to keep up with a trading group. You were trying to keep up with other people, right? But even though you had a great job, you never took trading personal. You never made it real to you. You never pulled out profits from the market to actually change your lifestyle. Then I'm getting students who have made their weekly paycheck from trading and withdraw that money out and was able to go out to dinner on a weekday or treat their kids to like games and toys because that money that they touched in their hand was found money, right? It wasn't earned money from a 9 to 5. So they felt like a little bit of a baller because once that trading money came into their pocket, it wasn't allocated for anything else like their normal budget. Then once they felt that money come in their pocket, right, and they could ball out a little bit, they imagine what they can do if they actually focused even more and use that trading money as income. Then they don't have to worry no more, right? So that's the main thing, ladies and gentlemen, about 2023. It's just like we get stressed out, and what does that do? We start to overeat, then we gain weight, then we get upset, then we stress out even more, and we just overwhelm ourselves with problems. Even myself, being a successful trader, being a great, amazing trader, right? And running a business and doing other things, I have to sit back and see, why am I worrying so much? And a lot of things is from society. Society has us worrying about unnecessary things just to keep up with other people, chasing that bag, right? But I want to help you this year to be able to make consistent profits, take that worry and stress off of you, and learn how to make some amazing profits on a consistent basis. Teach you how to log off the trading platform, right? Teach you how to mellow out and zone out and not have these money problems, right? Because once you have this skill set, once you have this customized plan based upon what you want out of life, right? It'll make you much better and make your family much better. and it'll make you even healthier, right? And I've been learning how to do this, right, through my trading and investments. That's why I still have hair on my head and I still have a hairline at my age. See, that's the key. No more stressing. So I like to cordially invite you guys to come Wednesday at 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. We call it Worry Free 2023. Even though we're going to focus on futures, we just want that theme in your mind, right? About what's actually going on. This is the year to invest in yourself. We lost about 2 years with COVID, right? A lot of mismatching going on, finding yourself again, a lot of hustle and grinding and traveling and catching back up. This year, we're trying to zen out, right? We want to sit at our computer, have a skill, consistently make profits, and also, make some amazing, wealthy friends at the same time. So go to Worry Free 2023, register, invite your friends, families, and also think about it. We look at everything in time, right? So I look at we're going to be another age older this year, right? And the older you get, the time flies. So you don't want to waste it. Even though we're in January now, in less than like 6 months, we'll be in the summertime again. So everybody, okay, look at your diet. What are you eating, right? We're making plans, right? Why not financially make plans of yourself? Spend this cold winter time, if you're up north, in the books, learning this market, understanding, right, if we are in a recession, if the stocks are bottoming out, how can we book profits and make money when the market goes back up? Or if the bottom falls out, which can happen, right? How can we make profits when the market goes lower? Or even more important, how can we protect ourselves, our IRAs, our 401ks, and long-term retirement? Or how can we teach our families? How can we teach our children a new skill in 2023 that's going to benefit everybody in the near future, right? Very, very important. So, what you want to do is go to www.worryfree2023.com. And what we have for you is a great free masterclass, right? It's a free masterclass showing you how our students make $500 to $1,000 a day from trading and investing, how they work their way up to that. Just like anything else, it's an investment, and it may not be for everybody, right? It may not be for everybody. So the best thing for you to do is come into our program and see if we are a good fit for you. A lot of people want to know exactly what we do. You can jump on a call with us, right? There's no pressure, right? We offer mentorship, right? We don't just have courses. We have people you can talk to, people that can guide you through the processes if you feel that you are interested in our program, right? Because you have many people to choose from. The best thing I tell you to do is do the research on the Profit Room. Google us, search us out, look at our student testimonials. You have to feel comfortable. At the end of the day, when you learn from the Profit Room, there's a relationship, almost like a personal trainer to a client. You have to put in the same work as we are putting in the same work. When we get our students that come in, we don't work with everybody. It's very important for that because we want to work with people who see the value in us, but also see the value in themselves and understand that trading is personal, right? Trading is very personal, and it's a systematic way that you have to learn in order to be a successful trader. All right. So at the end of the day, we hope all you guys are benefiting from some of the education that we put out there. Hopefully that you guys are really, really want to change your lives for 2023. All right. All right. So at the end of the day, we hope that you guys are benefiting from our education. At the end of the day, do your due diligence, right? Google the Profit Room, check us out, Make sure that you feel comfortable in any type of educational course that you want to learn from. As always, like we said, get educated and trade safe, and go to worryfree2023.com and sign up for our free masterclass, and we will see you there.